Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Kemmerer again. Today we're going to be working on day 2 of your orientation into Level 3 Fundations. We're going to be working on reviewing 3-letter blends and digraphs today. The first thing we're going to do is review our sound cards. So echo me. A, apple, a. E, ed, a. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. Awesome job. We're going to start out by building some words. Again, I know you don't have your magnetic letter boards at home, and that's okay. If you have a dry erase board and a marker, you may use that. Or if you'd like to write your words down on paper and mark them up along with me, you can do that as well. This would be a great point to pause if you want to go ahead and grab any of those materials before we get started. I'm going to start by building a word. What is the word that I have built? Let's tap. S, k, a, p, scrap. Now, yesterday we talked about 2-letter blends. Did you know that we've also gone over 3-letter blends last year? So, when we have a 3-letter blend, we just do the same thing as yesterday. Each one would get its own little line underneath because each of those consonants keeps their own sound. So, we would have sk, a, p, scrap. Let's try another word. I'm going to put them up and then you can tap them out along with me. Here we go. Ch, lunch. Go ahead and write that down and then mark it up. When you're writing the word lunch and you go to mark that, you'll notice that you have what we call a digraph blend. A digraph blend is when you have your consonant followed by a digraph. So if I were to mark this up, it would be ch, lunch. Let's try another one. Let's write the word shrug. Sh, g. Shrug. So when we're looking at shrug, g, we have our digraph. But again, 2 consonants next to each other, so we have a digraph blend. Shrug. Let's try another. Let's write the word shred. Tap first. Shred. Shred. Here we go. Shh. Got that tall skyline letter. D. Another skyline letter. Shred. Go ahead and mark that up now. Sh is a digraph. We've got our consonants next to each other, but that's a digraph blend because SH is one sound and R still keeps its sound. So we have shred. And I know probably some of you are thinking, Mrs. Kemmerer, we need to mark up the rest of the word. You need to scoop it. You need to mark your vowels. We're not worrying about any of that right now. Right now, we just want to review these digraph blends, okay? The next word I'd like for you to write is the word crunch. Ch, crunch. Go ahead and write that down now. Ch, crunch. Now, what do we need to do to mark up this word? Two consonants next to each other. They each get their own little line, but then I see we have two consonants next to each other again, but CH is a digraph, so it gets one line, and it's a digraph blend, so we put a little line underneath the N. Crunch. Let's do one more. The next word I'd like for you to write is the word shrub. Shrub. Here we go. B. Shrub. Please mark that up. B. Shrub. Great job. If you put a line underneath the SH to show it's one sound and a little line under the R, you've got it. Now I'm going to clear the board and we're going to get into something else that we talked about last year. So be thinking about what I'm going to ask you for because I know you're going to know it like that. I'm going to put some letters up here for you. All right. So, what word did I build? What does the word need? What is it missing? Do you remember? Let's tap. Miss. This word has 3 sounds, but it needs another S. There we go. Now it says miss. Remember, that second S doesn't get another tap. It's part of the first one. S. You wouldn't say s. That's not right. It's just s. Miss. So after I've spelled it, we know that this gets our bonus letter. We talked a lot about bonus letters last year. If you have a short vowel followed by an F, L, or S, it gets a bonus letter. Sometimes Z follows this rule too. Let's go ahead and write some words. You're going to be looking to find the bonus letter. Here we go. Let's write the word shell. 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 I have my short vowel followed by an L, which means it needs its bonus letter. You got it. And to mark up a bonus letter, we just put a little star over the top of that bonus letter. And let's go ahead and underline that digraph because we've been working on that yesterday and today too. The next word we're going to build is the word fill. Fill. Bonus letter, short vowel followed by F, L, or S. Well, there it is. Mark it up. Fill. Great job. How about the word hiss? Like a cat likes to hiss. Hiss. I have a short vowel and it's followed by an S, so what do I need to add? Bonus letter, hiss. There you go. Gonna give my bonus letter a star right above it. How about the word fluff? F-O-A-F, fluff. Go ahead and write that now. F-O-A-F, fluff. Check your word with mine. Does that look right? I hope you're saying, no, Mrs. Kemmerer, you forgot your bonus letter. Short vowel followed by an F gets a bonus letter. Don't forget to star it. And maybe some of you even remembered to mark up that FL consonant blend. We're going to write the word puff. P-A-F, puff. Here we go. P-A-F. Short vowel followed by an F gets a what? Bonus letter. You got it. So make sure that if you've written your words with your bonus letters that you've put a star above the bonus letter. Now remember guys, the star doesn't go above both letters. It just goes above the bonus letter. So make sure you're not putting like a big huge star over that because that would not be correct. You just want the one star over the bonus letter, okay? So here's the interesting thing. If the bonus letter is added, it's added after a short vowel for FL or S. But if it's part of a blend, it does not get a bonus letter, okay? Let me say that again. If it is part of a blend, you do not add the bonus letter. So let's take a look at a word that would do this. I'm going to build the word shelf, okay? Sh, o, f, shelf. Now let's look right here. When we look at shelf, you have your short vowel followed by an L, right? And we've been saying the rule is short vowel followed by FL or S gets a bonus letter. But this time, it is part of a blend. That LF, that's a blend. Two consonants next to each other, keeping their own sounds. We do not put an extra L in there. That would break the rule. So when you have a word with a short vowel followed by an FL or S, if that FL or S is part of a blend, you do not add the bonus letter, all right? Now, other words that may get a bonus letter could look like this. Z. Buzz has a Z. Sometimes Z gets a bonus letter, like in the word buzz. Sometimes Z does not get a bonus letter, like in this word. Ooh, sorry about the red. Qu, I, Z. That does not get a bonus letter. With our Z bonus letters, those are just going to have to be words that we become more familiar with, and over time we'll recognize which words get a bonus letter for Z and which words do not. Go ahead, take a look at your work, make sure you spelled your words correctly, make sure you marked up those bonus letters when you were supposed to, and when you're done, go ahead and turn in this assignment right on your Google Classroom. Great job, guys.